So let's find the number of images first. So these are optics arrangement we have, and we know that the light rays that pass through the optic centers, they move undeviated. Let's say P1 is the optic center of upper half of the lens and P2 is the optic center of lower half of the lens. Now the light rays that pass through this optic center from the object, they move undeviated. Okay, and all other rays, they refract and meet the undeviated ray, and at the point where they intersect, that's where the image is formed. So this is the image location of the image due to the upper half of the lens. And similarly lower, so we have an undeviated ray which is passing through the optic center of lower half, and then a refracted ray that meets the undeviated ray at point I2, and this is where the second image is formed. So in this, two images are formed. Okay, now let's call this distance as u and let's call this distance as v. Now we use convex lens equation to find the location of the image. From the convex lens equation I can write 1 by f is equal to 1 by u 1 by v minus 1 by u. F is 0.2 meters, which is also equal to 20 centimeters, and u is minus 0.3 meters, which is also equal to minus 30 centimeters. And we substitute all the values in this, and we get 1 by v is equal to 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30. So this gives us v is equal to 60 centimeters. So now to find the distance between two images, which is I1, I2, I use similar triangles OP1, P2 and OI1, I2. From similar triangles OP1, P2 and OI1, I2, I can write P1, P2 by magnitude of u is equal to I1, I2 by magnitude of u plus magnitude of v. I1, I2 is basically u, which is 30 centimeters, plus v, which is 60 centimeters, divided by 30 centimeters, into I1, I2 is the distance between P1, P2 is basically the distance between P1 and P2, that is 0.2 centimeters. So we get 0.2 centimeters here. So this gives us 90 by 30 into 0.2, and I1, I2 is 0.6 centimeters. This is the separation between two images.